If your air compressor is not building adequate pressure and is leaking air from the unloader valve assembly, then the issue is typically caused by a defective or dirty check valve, though the unloader valve may have also failed. It is first suggested to clean the check valve spring and plunger. Remove power from the compressor and open the ball valve to expel all air from the tank. Remove the check valve's hex nut cap with an open-ended wrench. Turn counterclockwise to remove. Remove plunger and spring. Elongate the spring to provide adequate tension. Thoroughly clean any observed residue buildup from the spring and plunger. Apply a little WD-40 to the spring for optimum performance. Reinstall plunger, spring, and hex cap. Tighten securely, but do not over-tighten. Retest the compressor for normal operation. If an air leak continues, replace the check valve. Replace the unloader valve.